Hello, this is Jennifer Matlack, and this is my whiteboard. Today, the students will be testing their knowledge on what they remember from our whale unit, specifically ocean mammals. So, the first question is, what do blue whales eat? And then you'll move to the next box. It'll be blue whales eat, and then they will look at these answers above, and they will determine which answer is the correct answer. And then they will place this answer right on the place correct answer pink box. And then they will scroll over there, over to the is a blue whale a mammal or a vertebrate? And they will determine if a blue whale is a vertebrate or a mammal. And then they will also take this quiz below on this yellow star, and they will test their knowledge through the quiz. And it will be based on fishes versus mammals. So after, they will go back, and then they will place their correct answer on the black square. Just like that. Next, they will go down, and they will go to, what do killer whales eat? And then the next box will be where they will place their answer from the 3 sticky notes. So they could either choose seabirds and move it to the blocks. They could choose giraffes, or they could choose plants. And then once they are done, they will take my quiz that I made on my Edpuzzle. So they will watch the video and answer the questions, and that will complete this lesson. Thank you very much.